is a global elevator and escalator manufacturer. Our overall mantra is home safe every day as a company. We've had some unfortunate events occur to where we really didn't know what our employees were doing on the road. We had a telematics device in our unit that showed no video whatsoever. It was just pretty much numbers and a color chart. We wanted a product that was reliable, that we can trust, that is providing us actual data of what's going on.
I really appreciated the video quality. When we did have some kind of incident on the road, being able to point to a specific time and place and have some evidence to back it up.
This product gives us the opportunity to potentially exonerate and tell the truth of whether or not, who was at fault at the incident, and ultimately change driving behavior. Where we are now, where you see the reductions in incidents, you receive the reductions in costs, you receive the reductions in insurance premiums. Motive and the team has been nothing but supportive in our journey to get everyone on board with this. The one thing that stood out with Motive is the people and the care.
The transparency in communication. They do really care about the success of the program.